Making connections, mastering networking events and conferences. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of networking. Specifically, we're going to discuss how to make the most of attending networking events and conferences. These events can be fantastic opportunities to build and expand your professional network. Networking is all about making connections. Whether you're looking for a job, seeking advice, or wanting to share knowledge, networking is key. Networking can lead to job opportunities. It can help you learn from experienced professionals. It can introduce you to potential collaborators or partners. Before you even step foot at a networking event or conference. 1. Research. Learn about the event, its attendees, and its main themes. Knowing your audience helps you strike the right conversations. 2. Set objectives. Define what you want to achieve. Is it meeting potential employers? Or maybe finding potential clients? 3. Practice your elevator pitch. Be ready to introduce yourself and what you do in a concise and engaging manner. When you're at the event. 1. Dress appropriately. First impressions matter. Dress according to the event's nature and always lean towards looking professional. 2. Engage actively. Don't wait for others to start conversations. Be proactive, approach people, and introduce yourself. 3. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. Ask open-ended questions to engage in deeper conversations. 4. Listen actively. Networking isn't just about talking. It's equally important to listen and understand others. 5. Collect business cards. This is an easy way to remember who you met and to follow up later. The event might be over, but networking is not. 1. Follow up. Send a friendly email or message to those you met, expressing how nice it was to meet them. 2. Stay connected. Add them on professional networks like LinkedIn, and engage with their posts. 3. Reflect. Think about what went well and what you can improve for the next event. There you have it. Networking events and conferences are more than just gatherings. They're opportunities. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's about building genuine relationships, not just collecting contacts. We hope this video has equipped you with the tools you need to succeed at your next networking event. Until next time, happy networking.